Hi all my lovelies, this is Hema from Shivani Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's new today in Shivani Boutique? The sari which I am wearing, you can definitely guess the sari. It's a pure Chanderi silk by cotton, and the borders are really beautiful. Whichever I'm going to show, it would be copper color, would be a subtle border, not a bright gold thing, and the pallu is also so nice in this. And so a lot of collections we are about to show you, so sit back, relax and enjoy the show. If you want any assistance, 9585501762 is our WhatsApp number. Please WhatsApp us, we will definitely get back to you, or else you can straight away log on to our website www.shivaniboutique.com under the heading Chanderi silk by cotton saris. Alright, let's start the show. The first sari is the same to same sari prints which I am showing. These are all very soft and very skin friendly, and slim fit as well. Right from the morning till evening you can wear the sari. So these are the advantage of the sari. And so this is the sari. The sari is so good, and the advantage and the highlight of the sari is the border. I personally feel, because it is very subtle and beautiful looking border. And then the pallu is a simple sweet pallu, and then this is the blouse for this. It's a plain with printed, that is the plain stuff, and then with this nice border. uh, so here it's a big border, so however you wanted to, you can keep the sleeves accordingly. And the third color is this deep indigo blue color sari. It's very nice, the quality is very good in this. And then comes the C1, 2, and then 3 pretty colors in this same design. Let me open this. The borders are amazing, as I said. The main catch point of these saris are the border, I personally feel, because it's very subtle and elegant as well, and it listens to you a lot. The fabric is so smooth, fine, nice, and so this is the pallu part for this. And then the blouse is this nice contrast matching blouse, and then two different colors. The colors are very nice in these saris. See this, happy saris these are all. And then the next color is this. So, see this, so beautiful and nice. And then this is the pallu part for this. Simple nice pallu, and the blouse is also simple blouse, contrast matching with the zari border. Alright, my next design is this. See this, the prints are really amazing, two different colors, something really nice and fine. Let me open this. See this, lovely pretty looking saris, these are all. Nice color as well. And this is the contrast matching pallu, and then the blouse is also very beautiful, contrast matching printed blouse. Nice it is. And then the second color is this. Such a beautiful colors, these are all. Something really different and new, fresh and new saris. So this is how it looks. And then this is the contrast matching pallu. It's a simple pallu, and then with a contrast matching blouse part. And next, see this, lovely prints. These are all hand block printed, soft chanderi by cotton. Soft means it is not, it will not like stick to your body. You can see how the sari, flow of the sari is. It's not, it doesn't stick to your body or stand out. It is very friendly. And then see the sari. So this is the hand block printed sari. The borders are very good. I keep saying in this video, the borders are really good. And then it's a contrast matching blouse. And then see the colors. So which color is beautiful? Both the colors are very pretty. Alright, and then comes this Chanderi by silk by cotton sari with a copper zari border. So these two are bandhani, pure bandhani ones. So let me open this. So copper zari it is. See how beautiful the sari it is. So nice, and the border portion is really good. So when taking pleat, it comes this way. It's so pretty. And then let me open the blouse and show. The blouse is a copper jacquard blouse. Coppers are now into hot trend. So, and the second color is this black with this copper border. Alright, and what's next? This print is something really good and very traditional and all-time favorite as well. Zigzag printed, and the border, see the border portion is so pretty. And I'm just searching for the pallu. This is the blouse part. It's a contrast matching blouse, and you have got a small little pallu, cute pallu. And then comes our chanderi, something really different with the prints and with the small little border. All are chanderi stuff, nice soft ones, these are all. So this is the pallu portion for this, and it is a contrast matching blouse for this. Alright. Then comes our chanderi, shibori, hand block printed, these are all. It's a half and half concept. See, this is so nice, and it's our all-time favorite sari as well. The flow of the sari is really great. So this is how the sari look. Let's check for the blouse. The blouse is also hand block printed blouse. So this is how it is. Alright. And then comes our soft chanderi. It's a plain sari with a contrast matching pallu and blouse. Very simple, decent shibori with a hand work. It's an abla work. You can find nice abla works. And then this is the blouse part for this. Such a beautiful thing it is. And then comes our all-time favorite patchwork chanderi by cotton sari. See this, so beautiful it is. So this is the pallu part for this, and then this is the entire body it is. And see this, the blouse is a hand block printed blouse. So this is the blouse for this. And I have got one more color in the same concept. It's a bright color, nice brisk color. I can call this as, see this is how it looks. And then this is the blouse for this. Alright. Then comes the same color concept, but of different prints. The pallu, the speciality of the pallu, it's a cutwork pallu, you can see that, and this is also cutwork blouse. Alright, and then I think these colors are now into trend. Actually it suits everybody. It's the same to same sari. So yes, and this is the pallu part. So this is the pallu part. You can find all patch works on the pallu. And once again, all are nice chanderis, hand block printed sarees. See this, so nice. And the advantage, you can see the cut works on this. And then this is the blouse. This is also a cut work blouse. You can find the cut works on this. So it's a simple, nice, decent sari, and it listens to you a lot as well. And then comes this half and half chanderi. Sit back, relax, and then just enjoy our show. That is very, very important. And see, this is the sari. Lovely sari it is. So this is how it looks. All are like with human touch. You can find the patchworks, and then it's being attached on both the sides, ajrak printed ones, and so beautiful it is. And then this is the blouse for this. Then comes our the sari, all our chanderi, something really nice and different. You can find patchwork on both the sides. And let me check for the blouse. This is the blouse for this. Alright, and then comes that same to same saree but of different color combination. So this is the pallu part for this, and then this is the blouse part for this. It's a deep navy blue color, such a nice combination it is. And then our last chanderis are these two sari with embroideries, something really nice and different. So this is the color of the sari, and it has got a contrast matching. This is the small little pallu, and it has a contrast matching blouse for this. Nice and different, very elegant sari. And let me open the last sari and show. It's a very different color, lovely color with embroideries, and this is the pallu part, and then the contrast matching is a mustard yellow color. It's a different yellow color sari. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing our collections, including myself. I love showing beautiful collections to you all. So if you have any queries, 9585501762 is our WhatsApp number, or just click the uploading, it will straight away leads to you to that page. You can browse our page www.shivanesboutique.com. Thank you so much. We'll meet you soon with lots and lots of collections, and bye.